This doesn't look too bad.
Ooh,
it doesn't, right?
Hi everybody, it's Alexa from WWD, and today I'm here with Zach Dishinger.
Hi everyone.
He is the 16-year-old CEO and founder of Formula Z Cosmetics.
I'm so excited to be here today, and I think we should give you the ultimate 20-minute summer glam makeup tutorial. How does that sound?
Is that a challenge?
I think it is.
The time is ticking.
Oh my God. So I think the first thing, what I'm gonna do is I like to start the face with a little bit of moisturizer, and no matter if you're oily or dry or whatever you are, I think putting moisturizer on before is just key to every single makeup look, just to give that barrier alongside with primer.
Okay. So when did you found Formula Z Cosmetics?
I started Formula Z Cosmetics, I mean, honestly, all in my kitchen. I would take my mom's lipstick and bronzers and I would mix them together to create the perfect shade ranges and textures.
Okay.
After that whole process, we took it to a lab and a full set of chemists, and through my love in theater, because I was your theater kid, right? Like, I loved acting, and my favorite part about acting was like transforming with makeup. And I think that's what really grasped me. So I learned the importance of having a good lab and chemist team and a support team. And we took 2 years to develop the actual, look up for me, the actual formulation of our Forever Lips. So I'm using Kevin Aquan Sensual Skin Enhancer on her. And this is amazing because you can use it as a concealer, as a foundation, and I like products that are totally multi-purpose, like my Forever Lips.
What is a typical day like for you at work?
A typical day at work, when I'm not doing school, it's working on the line, product development, formulation, packaging,
oh my God.
And you know, how we're gonna market this line.
So what made you want to launch with lipsticks?
Liquid lipsticks, in particular matte liquid lipsticks, it's kind of like, not difficult, but it's not as easy finding a good matte liquid lipstick shade as it would be like for an eyeshadow. So with mine, that's why it was so important to me, you know, on the development side, because we have our line of 7 Forever Lips, and they are 100% cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, and gluten-free. And they can be worn as an eyeshadow, a liquid lipstick, as a blush, paired with gloss, as a tint, or used by themselves.
Yeah.
And I think that they're so versatile, and the liquid lipstick formula, the Forever Lips formula, allows me to do that. My favorite part of the line is Mission Z right now, and Mission Z is our partnership with the Trevor Project, and the Trevor Project is a leading national organization providing crisis intervention and suicide prevention to LGBT youth. And whenever someone buys Mission Z, which is a gorgeous chestnut mauve liquid lipstick, 50% of the net proceeds go towards the Trevor Project's life-saving work. Go like this.
What made you want to partner with the Trevor Project?
You know, I think personally, like me in school, everyone's like, oh, like have you been bullied? And it's like, yeah, and I think either it's my filter to the bullying, but you know, it used to be like not the easiest when I was younger, but I think it honestly, it came from a place of me being like just passionate about that and helping other people, because I have the greatest support system in the world, you know, my parents and my friends, but not everyone has that. And so now it's like, I really feel obligated to help others. And when I saw what the Trevor Project was doing, it was just like, it's truly like life-saving work.
We have about 10 minutes left. Are we good? Will we make it?
Next, I want to do your eyes.
Okay.
So take a little paint pot and use it as my base. Close your eyes for me. So for eyes, I actually like to start with eyeliner.
Okay.
It speeds up the process.
Okay.
And this is Marc Jacobs in Brown Out. And what I like to do, just close your eyes for me, is I just start, you know, on the line, and I take it there because it's still creamy from the eyeshadow base, so that gives me that time to blend it out, and I just blend it into your crease too, and it just gives your eye this gorgeous dimension.
How long do you typically spend on your makeup?
Oh my God, I did a Pride makeup tutorial.
Okay.
That one That one took about 4 hours, not gonna lie. Well, also that was like, there was a conference call in between, but it is a process, especially when you're trying to do a very like theatrical look, not like a simple, like picking up the kids' carpool makeup look. I mean, I would totally pick up my kids if I had in like full glam, like eyebrows covered, like up from school.
Amazing.
I'm gonna go under your eyes a little bit with some translucent powder. And that's just gonna catch any extra fallout from your eye. We go to town, just look that way. I wanna do the lips. I think we should go for Mission Z.
Yeah.
It's really pretty. So in our Forever Lips collection, we have 7 gorgeous moisturizing, long-wearing, and smudge-proof matte liquid lipsticks. This is really hard because normally, you know, I tend to like film myself and like do the whole thing with the foundation and bake and lashes, but this is like on the clock. Like this is no joke.
Ooh, I love this color.
It's cute, right?
It's super cute.
And I'm just gonna go in with my Anastasia brow powder.
Okay.
And when doing brows, I like to start from the outside in, because when people start from the inside, it's sometimes really thick, and we want those natural gradient brows. And then a little brow gel to set the brows. I should do blush too. This is Kevin Aquan and it's amazing. Smile. And then this is Pat McGrath. Have you tried her stuff before?
Yes.
The best, right?
Yeah.
It's the best. It's just gonna black you out a little more. Just have to have a little more dimension in there. It's been really, like I like the creative stuff, right? Like I like product and packaging and I like fun stuff, but at the end of the day, like, you know, being a CEO, like, gotta do that business conference stuff too. And at the end of the day, you know, it is what you have to do. So, we've been overly happy with sales and we couldn't honestly be happier. And then under the eye, I'm just gonna take a little bit of a taupe color.
You have 20 seconds left.
Oh my God, I just have to do the under eye color. And we're almost done. This doesn't look too bad.
Ooh,
it doesn't, right? It looks cute, actually.
Great job.
I'm proud of myself because I was really stressed for that 20 minutes. Damn. Wow. Just gonna plunge you out a little bit over here. Do you like the formula?
I do. It feels great. Zach, where can people follow you?
So on Instagram and Twitter, you can follow me on Zach Dish. On Facebook, we are Formula Z Cosmetics, and you can shop the line exclusively at formulazcosmetics.com.
Zach, I love what you did with my makeup. I'm gonna go out right now.
I'm so excited.
Thank you for coming in
today.
Thanks for
having me.
And thanks everybody for watching. Please subscribe to WWD's YouTube channel for more beauty videos.
Bye.
Bye.